Welcome back to Beautyistic. We all know how challenging it can be to get into those tight spaces between our teeth. Regular brushing often misses the mark, and flossing can be tricky, especially if you have braces or dental appliances. But what if there was a simpler way to give your smile that deep clean feeling without the hassle of traditional floss? Well, today, we're reviewing the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, ultra-tight interdental brushes. If you're struggling with tight spaces or need something travel-friendly, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more beauty and wellness tips. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are designed to tackle plaque where your regular toothbrush just can't reach. These interdental brushes come with soft bristles that gently slide between your teeth to remove plaque and debris. They're specifically tailored for those ultra-tight spaces, so no need to worry about them not fitting. They're a fantastic alternative to traditional floss, especially for people with braces or other dental appliances. Each brush is coated with a hygienic solution, meaning it's safe to use multiple times, up to 10 days per brush. When it comes to usability, these brushes are incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The compact design makes them perfect for on-the-go use. I threw a few in my purse and they fit just perfectly. No bulky floss containers here. I found that using them was simple. The soft bristles easily slid between my teeth without causing discomfort or irritation. The bristles are gentle enough for sensitive gums, and I really appreciated how they didn't scratch my braces or cause any galvanic shock, which can happen with other wire-based tools. Now for the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. First off, the ultra-tight design makes these brushes an absolute game changer for people with narrow spaces between their teeth. The travel-friendly cap keeps everything hygienic and secure when you're on the move. Plus, they're reusable for up to 10 days, so you're getting more value than a typical floss pick. On the flip side, I did find that, because of the size, they're most effective for people with very tight spaces. If you have wider gaps, they might not be the best fit. Also, while the protective cap is a great feature, I did find it a bit tricky to remove at times, especially with wet hands. But overall, these are minor inconveniences compared to the overall effectiveness. Now let's talk about value for money. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are priced fairly for their quality. They offer a lot more longevity than single-use floss picks, and considering their multi-day use, they're cost-effective for long-term use. If you're someone who's looking for a tool that's easy to carry, reusable, and specifically designed to clean tight spaces, this is definitely worth the investment. Comparing these to other similar products on the market, GUM stands out because of its focus on comfort and usability. Many other interdental brushes I've tried either didn't fit or were too rough on sensitive gums. GUM, however, strikes a good balance between effectiveness and gentleness. Plus, with their specific design for braces and dental appliances, this is a product that really shines for those with additional dental needs. In terms of build quality, the Proxabrush is durable and feels solid. The nylon-coated wire and soft bristles are built to last. After using them multiple times, the bristles haven't frayed and the wire hasn't bent, which is something I really appreciate in a reusable dental product. The compact case is also a plus, keeping everything clean and easy to carry. I do wish the brushes were a little more flexible to help navigate even tighter spaces, but that's a very specific preference. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try these, the link is in the comments. I didn't have direct interaction with customer support for this product, but GUM is known for offering responsive service when it comes to any issues, so you can feel assured that they're there for you if needed. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some more affordable options available, but in terms of quality and functionality, GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens hold their ground. You can find some basic floss picks or generic interdental brushes, but they won't offer the same level of comfort, especially if you're wearing braces. To sum up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are an excellent choice for anyone with tight dental spaces or braces. They offer a deep clean, are reusable, and are very travel-friendly. While they might not be the right fit for everyone, if you're someone with narrow spaces or additional dental appliances, I highly recommend giving them a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.